How to enable Hey Siri on iPhone. Hey Siri, what's the time today?
It's 7:58 a.m.
Okay, here, I'm going to show you how to turn on Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone. So if you're done of this, you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app on iOS 18, locate Siri and then click on it. On iOS 17 or earlier, locate Siri and search and then click on it. Now, once you click on Siri, locate Talk to Siri and click on it. Then choose Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So to communicate with Siri by saying Siri or Hey Siri, make sure you select Siri or Hey Siri and then click on Enable Siri. Once you click on Enable Siri, then choose what that says Set up Siri and Hey Siri. Then go ahead and click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, just say, Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Then you are good to go. Then you should see Siri is ready. Then go ahead and tap done. Then you can just come here, click on, press the side button for Siri so that when next you press and hold the side button on your iPhone, this is going to wake the Siri. Then you can just say, Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
Should be sunny today.
Thank you.
Sure thing.
You see that? So that is basically how to enable or turn on Hey Siri or Siri on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.